Hi, I'm Geraldine Calixto, the co-founder of Manuhay Digital Marketing Agency. And in this video, I'll walk you through how to share access to your FB Ads Manager. There are two ways that you can do this. One is through your FB Ads Manager, and second is using your Meta Business Manager. So let me show you how you can do this both on FB Ads Manager and Meta Business Manager. All right, so let's start with the FB Ads Manager. And if you're not sure how to get here, I'll provide the link both for your Ads Manager and for the Meta Business Manager in the description of this video. So once you get here, just make sure that you're on the right account. So if you have different ad accounts, just like me, just go here and click the right ad account. And then once you've done that, just go to ad account settings. And then under the ad account setup, you will see ad account roles. So just click on add people. And one thing that you need to take note of is that you need to be friends with the person that you want to give access to, because unless you're friends on Facebook, you can't give them access. So for this demo, I'll just select or choose my co-founder here, and then you'll have different options for the access. So you have ad account admin, ad account advertiser, and ad account analyst. So if you're not sure of the difference, you just click on learn more, and it will take you here where you can see the difference of these accesses. And once you're decided on the access that you want to give the person, just click on confirm. So for this demo, I will not click on that because that will send a notification to Miguel that I am inviting him to my ad account. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's very fast and easy. So we'll move forward with doing this using your Meta Business Manager. All right, so we're here in the Meta Business Manager account or Meta Business Suite. And once you're here, just click on settings. I'll just hide all this because you might get here and it looks like this. So that you don't get confused, I'll just hide it first. And one thing that you need to take note of, or actually there are two things that you need to take note of, is that first is we need to make sure that the person that you want to give access to is already here in your business manager account. And second is that the ad account that you want to give access to must be connected here in your business manager account, because if either of them is not here, you cannot give an access using your business manager account. So let's go first in the users or the people. So this is where you give access or where you add people to your business manager account. So again, you have to make sure that they are here already. If not, you can just click on invite people. So just enter your email, and then you have to go through all these processes. And what I really like about it is that there is this option to give them a temporary access. And you can even select on how long you want to give them an access to your business manager account. Okay. So for this video, I will not go through the process of adding people here because the goal is to show you how to give them access to using your Meta Business Manager. But I'll create another video, or we'll create another video about this, and we'll just add the link to it in the description of this video. So once the person you want to give access to is already here, just go to under accounts, just click on add accounts. And then here, if you can see the ad account here, just click on this button, the add button. And then you can choose either to create a new ad account, claim an existing ad account, request to share an ad account. So this is what we usually use with our clients. And then once it's here, just click on it, and then you can type in the name of the person that you want to give access to, and then click on assign people. Okay, so once you do that, there will be different options for the permission. So this will give you control on the access that they will have in your ad account. Okay, so once you've selected that, just click on assign. So for example, I'll do that for Miguel again, and then I'll give him a full control. Okay, so you give him a full control here, and then I assign it to him. So it will give him a notification that, or it will send him a notification that he's been added here in our business manager account, but he's already here. Okay, so yeah, if ever you have problems sharing access to your FB Ads Manager here in the Meta Business Manager, just send us a message or leave a comment, and we'll help you figure it out. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in our next one. Bye.